Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope everybody is in good spirits. Well, my wisdom warriors. So, no, sister Andrew owners come out and caution the people them how to spend their money. No, see that? No, see where Andrew owners depend. Andrew owners try caution the people them in the diaspora how they spend their money. Remember, say a long time people in the diaspora send money to Jamaica, So me don't know how Andrew owners just come up with this idea after sudden so. Look from when him receive money. Look from when him secure the money them. How much billions him secure already. The only person me see I give out food yesterday was Nesta Morgan. Nesta Morgan I give to some I don't know if I'm community, but he was giving out some food groceries. He did a pack up food stuff to give out. So the question I want to ask, how comes Nesta Morgan get money already? Remember, say Uno come out, you and Nigel Clark come out and say by this weekend the latest. Before Uno start buy stuff. And that Uno say, before money start spend the right way. So how come Nesta Morgan get money already and the other MP they not get no money yet? And that more I know which money Nesta Morgan has spend. Which money Nesta Morgan has spend from. Uno say Uno gonna be transparent, but Uno not really transparent. Which money Nesta Morgan has spend from? Because as far as me know, Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark say we down this weekend before because uno na rush. Uno na in a no rush because uno want to make sure say nobody no blame uno for no corruption. So where did Nesta Morgan get that money from? Was that from the $5 million? That is the question me ask. Remember say them claim say every MP get $5 million for clean out drain. So we want to know where did Nesta Morgan get that the money there from? For when Nesta Morgan start buy up one whole heap of groceries. One whole heap of groceries he have. You understand me? And we not see no other else MP get no money yet. Or say they ain't get no money yet to start bringing groceries to the people. The only person we see I do that is Nesta Morgan. On the other hand, I saw what's her name? Rhoda Crawford give the MP for Manchester vouchers, 800,000 worth out of vouchers. So where did that money come from? This is our question. Una say una gonna be transparent. Una say una gonna be transparent, but una really transparent. Where did that the money that come from? Where was that from the 5 million where una get? Where? Because sometimes I see some people come out and them a buy this and them a buy that or them a fix up, but them have money. How comes uno have money and other else MP not have the money? How comes other else MP not get no money yet? It don't make no sense. And Andrew Holness him just depend this thing a caution the diaspora money. Hear him come out, my wisdom warriors. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has warned those contributing to the hurricane burial relief efforts against rushing the process and not doing it properly. The way all this money I love money, who he really come out and a warn? Who him come out and a warn? That me want to know. We are watch with money for Andrew Holness. Don't watch with money. Don't watch with money. My wisdom warriors, I have a piece of attack claps to drop on uno. I have a piece of attack claps for drop on uno because me know where all of this a come from. But uno wait, me so drop it on uno. While acknowledge the urgency of the situation in several parishes, Mr. Holness says the recovery process must be sustainable. So uno say Andrew Holness acknowledge that it is an urgent situation. Uno see that though? Uno say Andrew Holness acknowledge this is an urgent situation in the parishes them. But Andrew Holness a long it out. Una say when me I try show on you know, my wisdom warriors. Him say it to the news media while acknowledging the urgency of the situation in several parishes. Mr. Holness says the recovery process must be sustainable. And Andrew Holness out here, I want people in the diaspora. Want people if you don't rush process. We have to rush it. We have to rush it for people hungry. We can't do like you. You're wicked. You have a wicked heart. We can't do like you. So we have to rush it. The people, they need food. The people, they need bed. So people have to rush it. So, but nobody come out here and come warn people at the diaspora office send their money. You're too damn ready, aye. You're too ready, aye, and greedy. My wisdom warriors, hear more. Barabbas says, without careful planning and coordination, a rush recovery effort could result in some communities being left behind. You hear this here? What you mean? What my chat say? This a man have sense? What this a man chat say? This a man have sense, my wisdom warriors? How you mean a rush recovery? What kind of rush recovery? This is an urgent situation. Him know that, him acknowledge that. This is urgent. And you come talk about rush recovery could make people left behind. And that's your plan. So you want to leave Jamaican people them behind. Dias a long time people them in the diaspora always send money and send food to people. Let me tell you something, my wisdom warriors. Yeah? Do not send nothing to go get Andrew Holness because of that Andrew Holness plan. Do not send nothing, go and give Andrew Holness administration. Why it take Andrew Holness so long? So long for dish out the money them to the MP so you can go down to the PNP councillors or to the Labour Right councillors. Why? Why it take Andrew Holness so long? And he knows that this is an urgent situation. Where ma do? Where ma do? Where ma do? I that me want to know. Why it take them so long? Why it take them so long? Look how much days now. And Nesta Morgan, Missy come out and give people in the film communities one whole heap of food stuff. Where did Nesta Morgan get that the money they from? That is a question I want to ask because you say you're transparent, but you're not transparent. Nesta Morgan should come and explain. If you come and explain, make people them know because Andrew Holness say everything is going to be transparent. We want to know when get that the money they from if you go get groceries or in just go trust some groceries. Because of that, media say people can't trust groceries. That media say Andrew Holness not wait for money for dish out. Andrew Holness can just get the food, load up truck and just send out. You understand what I mean? Him can't do that. And the next question me I ask again, where did Rhoda Crawford get 800,000 vouchers from which kitty? Which kitty that come from? On to be more transparent, make we know what go on. Was that from the $5 million leftovers? And that we want to know. So my wisdom warriors, Uno sister Andrew Holness launches disaster fund. Uno sister Andrew Holness open a disaster fund website for hurricane burial information and donation. So Andrew Holness has created a disaster fund website that will serve as a centralized source of information on hurricane burial and a portal where donations can be made to assist relief efforts. Uno ever hear this here? A first in a history. First in my life. First in a history. I ever see a prime minister come out. A prime minister create a disaster fund website. Something like a GoFundMe. And listen, my wisdom warriors, if I did like GoFundMe, it wouldn't so bad. But for him, disaster fund, nobody can tell how much money in there. No wonder why I keep track. Everything in keep track of. No wonder why I keep track of diaspora money. No wonder why this man I keep track of a diaspora money, my wisdom warriors. Because he have plan for the people their money. That's why I'm telling people themselves don't rush because him knows that him have plan. It come like he no thief up whole heap of money already. The whole heap of money them where you thief Andrew Holness. The whole heap of 700 billion, 1.7 trillion where the whole I want to take away allegedly. Why uno no go back for them the money there? Why you no go back for them the money there? Why you come now and come bother the people them? Jamaican people. Them a scammer. Them a chopper. Do not send no money go give to them. The disaster fund where Andrew Holness create, my wisdom warriors. We cannot see how much money them a get. They all put up all the NCB account. My wisdom warriors, see better wanna send it, go give to the people them. How no always send it, or the charities, you know there's a lot of charities all over Jamaica. There's a lot of charities all over Jamaica. You can send it, go give them. Lord Jesus, now is the time when we miss Auntie Dana. All who know Auntie Dana, now is the time. You know, so she move and she gone America right now. But me I tell you, say, if that lady was in Jamaica, me I tell her, say, because people trust that lady, you know. Because that the lady, the transparent body, you know, my wisdom warriors. When me tell her, say, she's transparent, you know, man. Me I tell her, this is the time when me miss her. Because me know, say, this a woman I would have out already. She not wait for nothing. This a woman I would have out a long time. Start to give out play. Hey, me I tell her now. So when I want Andrew Holness come and give enough disaster fund where we can see how much money in it. And when them come tell we have to go take. We not depend that. Not say no money go give them. Them a scammer. Them a scammer enough money they ain't get my wisdom warriors. They ain't get 700 billion other day and they cannot give account for the money. The auditor general audit. And when they finish to the auditing, they realize that 700 billion gone without a trace. And when we say Christopher Tufton for resign, and the man that is in charge of the account, which is Dunstan Barron, for resign, it was a problem. It was a problem. Don't send no money to no government. Don't send them get money already. The money where they get already, make them use that. Make them use that. From a year, Andrew Holness come out and I want the people there. My wisdom warriors are from last time. I want to tell them about this, you know. From yesterday, you know. But you may get busy. Because you know, so me have to work and pay something. And me there do a long shift. You get me? But seriously, on a serious note, from a year that man come out and I want the people them in the diaspora. Me I say box cover this, man I look like he have plans. And look, boom. When me check it out, Andrew Holness that again come out and talk about disaster fund. Amount of disaster fund me hear when I release Nigel Clark. Leave the people them in the diaspora. Make them send who they want go send. Let the people them money into rotted all greedy. Number one, we can't keep track of that the money there. We cannot keep track. My wisdom warriors, we cannot keep track. Do not trust the government. The government cannot be trusted. Billions and trillions missing gone from them. And they don't help Jamaican people. Don't trust them. Me, I tell you that. You better want to send it. Go give on a family or friends. You understand? And send on a barrel one and send. And there's a lot of charities across Jamaica where always depend on social media. Go. You have one when name Zanzan. You have one when name, I can't remember, Blessing of the Flow. I can't remember them, but you have quite a few of them all over Jamaica. These people have been going on before hurricane come. And I help the people them in the community. You better you send you go give them the people, them my wisdom warriors. Mr. Handsome, them the people there. Better you send you go give them because we know so dead for a long time. Them the people they walk and help build up people's house. You know, don't forget them. Send it, go give them. No send not go give government. Eh? The whole of them come out now and I can't talk about people in the diaspora for saying. Other day when Mark Golden stand up for the people them in the diaspora and start uno same one Andrew Holness turn on the back on the people them in the diaspora. Make all the labor right them a chat about we fi keep with things. We fi keep with things. And I say hurricane come now and no. Me sure no sound no go want. We fi keep with things. Me sure no at that. That's why I say the labor right supporters them make it bad for the people them at Jamaica. When we get to realize the labor right supporters them, they live in Jamaica. Them not live in Jamaica. They live all about. Only one and two of them. Only one and two of them. My wisdom warriors, let me continue read this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement this afternoon while speaking at the launch of NCB Building a Better Jamaica Fund. NCB building where whole heap of people money missing. Whole heap of people money gone missing in my wisdom warriors. I know the people they not get no money, you know. I know the people they not get back their money, you know. Andrew Holness come out and talk about that, you know. Nigel Clark now come out and talk about that, you know. And say and explain and say them a look into it, you know, how the customer them all get back their money, you know. I know, you know, so people, if you got to people in the diaspora, if you take up their money, send go in a bank. Go give who? Hey, Jamaican people. Wanna stay there. Wanna stay there. Do not send no rotted all money go Jamaica go give no Andrew Wellness. Because they cannot be trusted. Them a scammer. Them a scammer. Do not look like you don't hear what their team name. Chopper team. I saw their team name. Chopper team. The chopper team from the chopping black team. And them that. Them scam people. Don't do that, my wisdom warriors. May I beg you no. Send it to people who don't know. Send on a bar like you always send. You better send it to the family and say to the family, say, give out, send extra barrel, extra money. Tell them to video it and give it out to the people in the community. You better not do that. Make we unite. We don't want no send no money go give no administration. We don't know easy. Look how much billion you not get. Look how much billions. You know bright. He also said the website will allow for the relief efforts to be coordinated. Persons both locally and overseas can make donations via website. When I hear that, Mr. Holness said the portal will ensure that donations are centralized and put to good use. How we might tell that? Leave the people them in the diaspora money. Go on, you come out. My wisdom warriors, yes, me tell you about Barabbas. I want dangerous man this, you know. The man secure how much million, 2.5 million, 4 million from other day, 300 million from other day. Plus NCB come back and say them will give them more millions again. We don't hear nothing. And now they not do nothing. Before you hurry up and do what you do so people then can get food on the ground and plyboard and nail and them kind of something there. Andrew always out here worry about diaspora money. The same diaspora went on him back pan. The same diaspora where Mark Golding come out and look out for. And I say, you wouldn't like the people them in the diaspora if you set eye in a parliament and you honest lick out and now you come talk about people locally and whatever. People locally, enough people, you have some people will give locally, yes. But 2 years enough of the celebrity them a give. You want to celebrity them now if you come give him on a don't give Andrew oh hey. If you really want Jamaican people. If you want Jamaican people not to suffer, do not give Andrew Wellness administration nothing. We cannot trust them. Look how much money they get and they can't give account for. Look how much billions. You don't know how much billions going at their hand. And when Auditor General audit, they don't know where the money gone. My wisdom warriors, when me attack, you know, a fax me attack, you know, 700 billion gone missing without a trace. And Andrew Wellness want we the people now to send money in a for them account. Number one, we can't even see how much money is in the account. Listen, Jamaican people, be wise. People overseas, be wise. People overseas, be wise. Don't make Andrew Wellness trick on you. Don't send the way how they always send. Send the way how they always send. You can still send money to Jamaica. You understand? Them I use the plant them. So you still can send money go to Jamaica. You understand? Because me send money yesterday go Jamaica. Me send money. The place them I work, the MoneyGram open. Send no money. Don't send no blasted money to no Andrew Wellness administration. They can't be trusted. They cannot be trusted. You understand me? Anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear this. Andrew Wellness come out and put on his sad face, my wisdom warriors. I can't talk about he's trying to avoid borrowing for climate crisis. So wait there. So how you borrow for other things? How you borrow for other things that we want to know? Because you think so we are dopey bat. How you borrow for other things when it's not necessary and this is an emergency and you don't want to borrow? And you don't want to borrow. Oh, so you want the people them now locally and the people them in the diaspora for send the whole of them can give you in a phone or bank account, in a OPDEM account, in a disaster fund account on created. You think so you're not going to trick nobody? You're not going to trick nobody. So go away with that. My wisdom warriors, when I hear this here, look how much that I've even other day them a try borrow money. But remember, so they did depend the list. I can't even remember what the list name, but they did depend the grey list. And Singapore released them. But how did they reach on the grey list in the first place? They all along they weren't on the grey list until 2020 they ain't go up on the grey list. So this and I have nothing to do with PNP. So when them are going like this is a big achievement, it wasn't a big achievement. They went them same labor right put themselves on the grey list and then Singapore take them off. Even though Singapore take them off of the grey list, there is still a possibility like they don't really trust them. So this is the whole reason my wisdom warriors they can't get no money yet. So the question is, why Andrew Holness always a borrow money for other things? All other day borrow money. So how comes now was something urgent crisis? This climate crisis. And Andrew Holness is avoiding for. What to Andrew? You not get too much money already. Start use that way you wait pan more money for long it out. This not make no sense to me, my wisdom warriors. Insecure how much money other than all now. The only person me see differently from Shensia, Nesta Morgan and Rhoda Crawford, me see go give out 800,000 vouchers. You understand? And my question still remain, where that the money they come from? Uno still not be transparent. Uno need to come and explain to the people. Was that from the $5 million that uno claim say was given to all MPs? Because a lot of drain never get cleaning up in a different parishes. So again, me want to ask, did every single MP receive the $5 million? Did every MP receive the $5 million? My wisdom warriors, something not right about this. Something is not right about this. Do not let Barabbas administration come out and trick on people. Don't. Because a whole heap of billions them get. Whole heap of billions. And when the auditor general do the auditing, they cannot give account for the money. So nobody believes that them people here care. Them not care because if you get too much billions, how much millions from Europe for help with the healthcare system to buy things, for get medication, for get equipment, and you decide to do something else with that money, and that money was for the sick and needy, what them wanna do? What them wanna do? Wanna can't come and trick we. Barabbas not forget no money, my wisdom warriors. My Jamaican people, my people in the diaspora, Barabbas cannot get no money. Number one, we're not going to know how much money them get. Because them create disaster fund where we cannot see how much in the account. Plus them a give out them OPDEM account number one bag of things. Me see them chopper friend. I tell the people them how the government create this disaster fund. Uno no send no ratty all money in that. Uno hear what me say? Jamaican people don't send no money go give no government. Send it to no family. Send it to people in the community. Or uno send it to charities because members say, rain or no rain, sunshine or no sunshine, And the charities, them say all over Jamaica always help build up people's house. You better uno send the money go give them. You understand? Because at least them will be transparent. At least we are see what go on. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you know want send no money go get Andrew Holness. Tell me if this idea where Andrew Holness come up is a good idea. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on 876-236-9097. Feel free to contribute to my channel. You can do so by blessing up my PayPal. The link I got in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings. One love.